Hey there, if you're using Lovable and you want to freeze your credit while you build your landing page, web application, or whatever you actually want to build inside Lovable, then this video is for you. And you also may know that there are so many different extension out there currently who actually claim that the extension will freeze your existing Lovable credit and it will allow you to build your project. Okay, so some of them are working, some of them are not working, and this kind of things going everywhere. So maybe you also saw some of our previous videos, or you are new in these videos and you are watching, and maybe you have questioned that if this kind of extension is actually works, if the Lovable PowerKits extension is working, and if you can use this into your existing project or not. Okay, so this kind of question is normal, so that's the reason I'm just recording this video and I want to show you how this extension actually works, the Lovable PowerKits extension, and if I can use it into my existing project. Okay, so in my screen you can see here I just logged in one of my Lovable accounts which actually have previous project here. Okay, so let me go back. So here I will install the extension and I will use this, send the prompt, and how it actually works you will see in live. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all we need to install the extension, so I'm going to the extension manage page. Okay, and then I need to make sure that the developer mode is on so that we can install the extension. Okay, so now once I just drag and drop the extension file, then it asking me to put the license key. So I am going to put license key to get it verified just in a moment, so that we can check this. Okay, I'll just activate the extension. So give me a moment. Let me pull the license key. Now, yeah, here is it. I just put the license key and clicked this verify button, and you can see here it opened the Lovable, and here is a little icon. You can see this little icon, and it has all the options like the license settings, okay, and auto approve and so many other things. So let it keep as it is, the default mode. Okay, even though one more thing I want to show you, in the extension when you go to the license settings you will see three different method we have currently, and also we are working with the new method. So by default it will be selected method 2, but you can switch whenever you need. Okay, so now let me just minimize this, and I'm going to open one of my previous project. Okay, and then I will use this extension here to send prompt to build something into this project, even though this is a just demo project. Okay, so we have some pages here. Okay, and everything is built by using the extension. Okay, so the existing project opened, and I'm going to send it a prompt like yeah, here is it. So here I just added a prompt and I'm going to send this prompt to Lovable, so this works. Okay, so I just sent the prompt to make the website header sticky. Okay, you can see currently when I just scroll down, then this specific header section go scroll up, right? So we want to make it sticky into the dashboard demo. Okay, so it's working just fine. You can see here it's using method 2 here. We selected method 2, you can see this method 2, and it's using that same method and it's working now. So let it complete the job. And then one more thing I want to show you, in this account you can see I have 10 credit left. Okay, and this is a free Lovable account. So uh, the 10th credit will be as it is. Okay, while the operation will be done. You can see here the prompt implemented, okay, the way actually we wanted, and it also said that I have made the revenue page header and filter controls sticky, so they remain accessible with the scroll through search and instructions. Okay, search and transaction. Okay, so if I go to the revenue page and let me reload this so that it apply the changes to the live page. Well, the page reloaded, and you can see when I scroll, the header is sticky. Okay, so if I go to the dashboard, okay, you can see When I scroll, the header section is sticky. If I go to the lead page, okay, lead page, then still the header is sticky. If I go to the account page, okay, even though I scroll, you can see the header is sticky. So let me show you if it's consume any credit. You can see it works for a 1 minute and 48 seconds, credit used 0, and my lovable credit balance is still has the 10 credits. So it's working just fine, okay, and it's stable. Now we are also releasing the new version of the extension with updating method and so many other things regular basis. So if you want to use this extension, then you can go with the extension. You just get the link of your our Discord server into the description, as well as into our Lovable PowerKits website into the description of this video. So you can join our Discord server. You can see how actually people doing this. We have the full documentation, we have full all the rules you need to follow, as well as all the instruction into the Discord server, so that you are good to go with our extension. Okay, so if you want, then just go to our Discord server or directly go our website and get the license. We have different pricing plan. And one more thing I want to tell you, that this extension is a paid extension. It's not free, and we are not giving any trial also. You need to buy 24 hours trial for $2 right now. So if you serious, if you want to use the extension in your project to activate the credit free intention, then you can grab it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.